Welcome to an overview of how the Adventure Engine system works for tour suppliers. Those of you that are creating, executing the trips, and providing a great experience for your end consumers. As a trip supplier, you will load your trips onto Adventure Engine. In fact, our staff will load them for you. And with Adventure Engine, we're web-based, so your trips will be in the cloud, as they like to say. We've been in the cloud since 2005, and our PCI compliant server and system will keep your customer data and your trip data safe. Once your trips are loaded to the Adventure Engine database, we can then show them on your website so that customers can visit, research, choose, and buy a trip online through your website. They can do a full payment, a deposit, or even pass through a tentative order if that's what you choose. Similarly, the trips can be shared with remote staff and agents, or partners who want to sell your trips. In many occasions, there are organizations you want to partner with, like hotels or other tour companies, to bundle your products. In this manner, both your remote staff, travel agents, and partners will be able to access your trips, search for availability, and do a booking. Whether that booking comes through your website or one of your partner websites, all the information is immediately available on Adventure Engine. Your treat availability is updated. Your seats are updated. And all of the customer information is immediately available through your Office interface. This will save you an incredible amount of time. Similarly, if you decide to edit your trip, whether it's cost, trip description, anything about the trip at all, it's immediately updated to all your partners. This allows you to grow and scale like no other system. At Adventure Engine, we talk about being the most powerful system on the market. So let's take a look at how the Adventure Engine system actually works. This is a very high-level demo. We encourage you to take a personalized demo with one of our staff so we can take your business model and show you exactly what you need within the Adventure Engine system. But essentially, Adventure Engine could provide you with things like setting up dates. Inventory is one of our specialties. You can create inventory that is based on groups, pools of inventory, or things like add-ons. The inventory also allows you to control things like seat availability based on the inventory piece. So if you have a lodge or a transportation vehicle, those seats, as they get booked out, will affect the availability of any trip that they're associated with. We can also provide things like payment options, whether folks can do full payments or deposits. We can do coupons, and you can customize questions so that some questions may be asked to the trip leaders and others to the rest of the group. You define the questions and the type of question. You can choose some things like drop-downs, select box, text entry, and much, much more. Of course, you can also provide additional information with the receipts that go out. And you can relate tours. There may be a one-way that can be sold on its own or combined with another as a return trip. And our system can combine those with a variety of different business rules. Of course, we also keep track of your customers. Once a customer buys from you, you never have to enter their data again. You can just reassociate a trip with them, or they can do this themselves. Reporting is also extremely accessible with Adventure Engine and very powerful. You decide what sort of reports that you want, and our system will provide exactly the data that you need. Again, this is an extremely high-level overview of how Adventure Engine will work for a tour supplier. However, we suggest that you contact us for a demo, and we'll provide exactly the information you need to fit to your business. Adventure Engine's role is making your life easier as a tour operator and improving your customer service. Give us a call today or visit us online for more demos or to contact us at www.adventureengine.com.